Hello, this is a New Year resolution time, goal setting time. And I have seen many people, almost 80 to 90% people set their goals, they set their New Year resolution, but they fail to achieve their New Year resolution, fail to achieve their goals. You know why? Because they only set the goal, they only decide the goal, they only say that I want to achieve so and so, but they can't achieve just because they are wishing. If they want to achieve, not only they should desire, they should also design the complete plan and also take action to achieve that. And how to set the goal and how to take the action? Point number one, you should have the clarity of what you exactly want to achieve in this year, the new year. Okay, पहला तो आपका जो भी गोल है, जो अचीव करना चाहते हैं, उसको पहला लिखना है, क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. एंड देन यू शुड नो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू अचीव. वो अकम्प्लिश करने से व्हाट इज दैट विल मेक अ डिफरेंस. इट कुड बी इनकम, इट कुड बी हेल्थ, इट कुड बी रिलेशनशिप, इट कुड बी योर करियर, एनी एरिया. सो वट एवर यू आर विशिंग, क्यों वो अचीव करना है, इसका क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. So अगर if you don't have why clarity, if you just simply wish that I want this, I want that, you will not get, because you should know your why you want to achieve, then you will have the energy to pursue that. Okay. And the third, you should have the complete plan how you can achieve that, how step by step action, what all you have to do to reach that goal. It could be income goal, it could be wealth goal, any goal. You should have the complete plan how I can achieve this. And just not this enough. If you have this, if you have what, why and how clear, then your intention is clear that you want to achieve the goal. But intention should not be just only for the month of January, first ko, second ko, third ko, या only for few days in January. This should be throughout the year. How you can go about doing that? If any goal that you achieve, it is if you don't focus, if you don't pursue every day, every week, then it's not a goal at all that you want to achieve. It's simply just you are wishing that you want to do something. Okay, so any goal that you are wishing, if you are desiring, aspiring, that goal you have to pursue every day, every week. And वो कैसे कर सकते हो? वो या तो उसका पोस्टर या पिक्चर बना के आपके सामने, जहाँ पे भी, wherever you sit, wherever you sleep, wherever you work, आपके सामने should be visible. It should remind you every time that this is the goal that you want to accomplish this year. Or you should write the affirmation or gratitude statement every day, like this is what I do every day. So whatever I want to achieve in this year, I write in that format that I have already achieved this goal. But it could be income goal, it could be wealth goal, it could be health goal, any goal. I write the sentence that thank you, I am happy and grateful because I have achieved so and so goal, because I have got this, because I have got that. So already I am thankful every day to God or universe that I have achieved this. So because of when I do this every day, what happens, I'm paying attention, I'm focusing, I'm pursuing every day. And when I pursue every day, when I go behind every day, then it increases my chance of us achieving that goal 90 to 95%. Okay, so that is the reason. Just don't set goals once, you pursue it every day by following this daily affirmation writing system. Okay, so if you do that, you can achieve anything that your heart desires, anything that you are wishing. So with this I wish you all the best for the new year 2025, and may you achieve everything that your heart desires. Bye bye, take care, all the best.